apparently you're pretty darn good at what you do, even among others that are experts. Do you notice that about yourself? Does it stand out to you that this is not a normal capability in a normal market?
There's a bunch of things that I want to say about it. I mean, I think I'm never satisfied. I think is a key part of it, right? Like I think that for that specific feature that was just mentioned in that, it's like we're talking about I think the fourth iteration of it. And I didn't really show the first few of them because I was like, this isn't going to work. This isn't going to get it. Like, this isn't like it does work, but this can't, like, and so that's when you go and like you think about it intensely and then you take a walk and you just, I'm always kind of thinking about things like that. Honestly, like one of the things that I like to bring is like I read broadly. I have a lot of varied, like interests, and there's a lot of things that you can synthesize. There's a book I recommended to somebody who wanted to get better at, what they were doing. They were a product manager, and he was kind of transitioning from code into product. And the book I recommended was The Creative Act by Rick Rubin. The response I got was like, "Are you serious?" And I'm like, "No, this is it, right? Like this is it, right? Because if you think about I mean, some of the features that I've done, like I'm in the middle of a thing right now where I'm applying guitar signal chain processing to frontline perception systems. Just drawing the parallels between them, right? Like, so when I look at our software, we have not to go too deep into it, but like we have this thing called pipelining. And the first thing that I thought when I saw pipelining was, oh, that's just like my guitar. Right. And so immediately my head is in the space of how you work with guitar signal processing. And there's like complicated UIs for software tools on it in a studio. Right. But that's the same problem that we're solving. Right. We're doing that. We're doing it with something totally different. We're doing it with cameras and models and TAC integrations. But they're not that different. Right. And so a lot of what I try to do is I try to draw connections between these disparate disciplines that have a lot of, have a lot of different thinking into it. So a lot of the work I've done very recently has been very much inspired by guitar signal chain processing.